I'm not being funny, but if you didn't just watch me install this, you would not know it was a wig. Install this wig with me and create this insanely natural hairline using the double melt method. Today I'm using the My Sticky Little Secret all-in-one bundle. Now I strongly recommend taking advantage of every single item in this bundle because this combination is what's going to give you the absolute best and most secure, most melted results. And when you get to the end of this video and you want to try all of these products for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link in the video description along with a little discount code for you because My Sticky Little Secret is actually the sponsor of today's video. So make sure you use my special link so they know that I've sent you, and you can thank me later by hitting the like button. Now, obviously I've already done the ball cap method for this install, but if I'm being honest, you don't have to do the ball cap method, so if you're unsure on how to do that, don't worry. However, if you would like to see that tutorial, I'll leave it up here in the cards and also in the video description. So anyway, I used the HD Ultra Thin Wig Cap that's included in the My Sticky Little Secret all-in-one bundle. So first things first, we're gonna make sure that the hairline is completely clean. We don't want any moisturizer or makeup around the hairline. We wanna be doing this install on completely clean skin, okay? I'm actually more talking to myself right now because I always think that I can make it work and it never works. So please just take the time to remove all makeup and moisturizer. So what I like to do is apply my makeup after I've installed my wig, but honestly, because I'm filming, I truly don't want to put you guys through that. So for now, I've only done makeup on my eyes and I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup later after the wig's installed. So now that my skin is clean, makeup and moisturizer free, it's ready to prep using My Sticky Little Secret Skin Protector. Not only is this such an important step for people with oily skin, but it's also going to enhance the performance of the glue and ensure no sweat or humidity is going to affect the whole. I'm just going to spray it on a cotton pad and apply it along my hairline. If you're a sensitive skin girly like me, this product is going to help avoid any skin irritation because it creates a barrier between your skin and the glue. And I love that. So once that's done, I'm just gonna put on my wig, and today I'm using the unicorn wig from Lizzie'sLocks.com signature collection. And the reason that we're just putting the wig on first is to make sure that it fits nicely and doesn't need any altering. A lot of the time I find I have to cut off a little bit of lace above my ears so that my wig fits correctly and is comfortable, and that's exactly what I had to do with this wig. Because this glue can last up to a week, and if you're installing a wig for up to a week, comfort should be a huge priority. I also wanted to show you how the lace looks before I install it, and it's not good. And the reason for that is just that I've worn this wig a lot. What I've done is I've just washed it and I've removed all of the glue and adhesive, ready to be reinstalled today. Fingers crossed it works. So we're just going to pull the wig back a little bit, and I'm just going to clip up the hair so it's out of my way and doesn't annoy me, because it will. And now we can start applying My Sticky Little Secret lace glue. As I said just before, this glue can last up to a week. And you can apply up to 5 layers, but how many layers you want to apply is up to your preference. It's recommended if you have oily skin or you're someone who's sweaty that you apply the whole 5 layers. But just make sure the glue is clear before you go in with another layer. Now I'm going to use my edge brush, which is included in the all-in-one bundle. So that's almost dry already, and I always find that when I do an install, around the sides is always a problem area for me, so I am going to do another layer just around the sides. And just remember to wipe any extra glue off this guy before you go in for another layer. I just want to test how sticky it is. Oh my god, too sticky. Okay, now the glue is clear, we can pull the lace down onto the glue. Now, don't pull your lace tight when you're laying it, just place it gently on top. If you pull it tight, that can cause rippling and it looks so bad, and trust me, I know from experience. can't get over how good this looks already, and we haven't even done the second part of the double melt method yet. Next, I'm going to use my melting band and just secure it around the hairline. Now, you don't have to do this step, but I strongly recommend that you do. I don't pretend to know the science behind it, but this step somehow really helps to make your lace look melted. Anyway, I'm gonna leave that on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Before I show you the results of the first part of the double melt method, I just wanted to remind you to please subscribe, as it helps my small channel and my small business. Thank you so much for your support, and now let's get this band off. Okay, so even though it's looking really damn good already, we are about to do the second part of the double melt method using my sticky little secret melting spray. And this spray is going to give us a fully melted look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this into the lid. And obviously you can spray it straight onto your hairline, and you can even use your fingers for this. Just make sure that your hands are clean and moisturizer free. But I'm going to use the back of our trusty edge brush. And you don't have to worry about getting this in your hair because it's not glue and it can be literally removed with just water. You can literally see the lace melting before your eyes. So once that's done, we're just going to put on the melting band again, and we're going to leave that for another 10 to 15 minutes. An awesome little life hack, and I know what you're thinking, Lizzie, you've already given us so much value. What more could you possibly give us? Well, this spray is absolutely perfect for everyday touch-ups and maintenance. You can even use this melting spray on its own without glue for a temporary hold, but that's a different video which I will link up here in the cards and in the video description. Now, I know this seems like a lot of steps, but I promise the end result will be worth it. And don't forget that this install is going to last for up to a week, so you'll be very glad that you put the extra effort in now. And before I show you the final result of the double melt method, I just want to remind you that my link to purchase all of these amazing products is in the video description. Now, I truly recommend getting the all-in-one bundle because not only will you save money, but you will be able to achieve this gorgeous melted lace that lasts up to a week. If you'd like to see how I install my wig for a more temporary hold that you can remove at the end of the day, I suggest watching this video next.